following message is transmitted at the request of the Kentucky State Police. At the request of the Kentucky State Police, the Kentucky Emergency Alert System is activated to assist in the broadcast of an Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. Wayne County Sheriff's Office is requesting an Amber Alert. Jocelyn Lair, a 7-month-old white female, hazel eyes and brown hair, was last diaper and in the company of mother, Shelley Lair. A 39-year-old white female, 5'3", 119 pounds, last seen wearing hot pink tank top and black shorts, driving a red Ford Focus with gray or green spray paint on passenger side of vehicle. Kentucky license plate, BWV 609. Child is assumed to be in great danger due to mother's drug use and child past exposure and overdose. DCB South has emergency custody order for child.